So we're going to run through how you install SuperSearch and get up and running by installing the SuperSearch WordPress plugin onto your website, and how you configure it and how you create an account and how you get up and running really quickly with a very fast high performing search solution that will index and search across all of your products, posts and pages on your WordPress site. So the first thing you need to do is on your WordPress website, if you head over and install the SuperSearch plugin. Now, at the time when we've created this this video, we don't have the plugin in the WordPress plugins directory yet. So you will have to obtain this from our GitHub page, and I will put the link to that in the video comments, or we'll put them on our website so that you can find the plugin to download and install. So you would generally go to add new plugins on your site, and then you just upload the plugin. Once we publish this to the WordPress plugins directory, then it will just be a case of heading over to add new plugins, search for SuperSearch in here, and then just install the plugin and enable it. Once that's enabled, you actually get under settings, you will get a SuperSearch menu item, and if you click on this, it will load up the SuperSearch interface and configuration. Now, if you head over to settings, we need to obtain some keys to make this work. Now, you get your keys from our admin console, and there is a link here under the API keys. There's a link here that says get your API keys by creating an account here. If you just click on the link, it will take you over to the SuperSearch login page, but just register a new account. So you can register this with whatever details you want. Okay, once you've entered your details and you click on the register button, it will log you into the admin console automatically. Now you need to head over to sites, and in here you need to add your site. So the best way to do this, you just need to take the domain name that you're using. So I've got this on my local development environment at the moment, and obviously I've got a port at the end to be able to get to it. Now you don't need the port, you just need the domain name. So if you head over to the site's create site, put the domain name in, ensure that you leave the protocol, so HTTP or HTTPS in front of the domain name. And then once you've got this, just click on create, and it will add your site. Now, once you've got your site, you need to take these two keys. So take the public key and head back over to your plugin on WordPress, and just paste these two keys into the box. Now, there's a handy little paste to clipboard button on the side here. So if you just paste these two in, and then once you've got them in the plugin, just click on Save Settings. So once you've added your keys and you've saved the settings, you need to head over to the Sync tab, and we just need to click the button on each of these to initiate pushing the products up to the search index. So you can click on these all at the same time, and what it will do is it will read through all of your pages, posts and products and push these up into the search index. So throughout the day, when you're working on your website and you're editing pages, posts or products, SuperSearch will keep a track of any IDs that have changed, and there's a scheduled job that once a day will push all the changes up to SuperSearch. You do still need to run this sync products to SuperSearch the first time you install the plugin, but any changes after that should just be synced. Now, at any time you can also head back over to this, and if you want to ensure and do a full product sync, maybe something's not showing on the search index or something like that, you can actually head over to this and you can hit this button at any time and force a full sync of your type of your products or your pages or your posts over to SuperSearch. Let's just head over to our theme, and I'm using Divi Builder, and I just want to show you how you put the shortcode into your theme so that you can see the SuperSearch input box on the front end of your website. So like I say, I'm using Divi Builder, but this would work, and it would be the same principles with any type of page builder or even with the standard WordPress theme. Is you just need to install the shortcode for SuperSearch. Now the shortcode is open square bracket, super search, and close square bracket. And you need to insert this into your content as is. It needs to be this short code, and it needs to go somewhere that you want the search to show. So for me, I've just put this in the header on my website, and I've got the short code here, and you can see it's already showing the search box. Now, once you've got this in and you save your template, your theme with the short code in place, if we head over to our website at the top of the screen like this, and it will be usable straight away. Now, there is a slight delay when you do your first product upload, in that it takes some time for it to start cataloging and indexing the products and the posts. And if you have a lot of them, it may take several minutes before these start to get reflected in the search results. But it's not a lot of time. It's generally just it's minutes. And it just takes time for it to just index so that you can find the products. Now, let's just explain how this works. So the search box allows you to just type characters in, and as you type the characters, it will refine the search results down. So you can see here, as I type in my catalog, I've got all of these type of matches. These are search suggestions that are generated when the products are uploaded, and it will crawl through the data that has been provided and come up with suggestions of what words that go with type of my search suggestion. So if you want to change the look and feel of the search results by changing, for instance, the button colors, you can do this from the search console. So if you head back over to Super Search and you head into search settings, you have values in here that will allow you to change how the search works, and you can change the button face colors and the outline and the selected button font color and things like that. But you can also turn on and off. Now, the default setting, I've already changed this, but the default setting is to search the intro text of the products. Let's turn this back on again. Now, let's just talk about that. The default behavior is to search through this product index test, and you can see here that I've got 66 products, and I've just changed the search settings to use the intro text as well. Now, that will make the search a lot more broad, and if we actually just use the same search criteria again, you can see in here, if we just search on W, we've now got 181 items instead of 66 that we had before. Now, the reason for this is it's searching on the intro text as well. Now, if we want the search results to be much more, I guess, specific, or we can just search on the titles, and to do that, you just turn on this enable searching of you turn off the enable searching of the intro text, and this will make it a lot more sharp, and just use the title text to type of find its matches. Super Search's basic plan allows for 100 searches a month. It's allows for 200 searchable items in the search index, and it's for a single site. Now, if you decide this is really for very small sites or for evaluation, and that's its purpose. If you need more products, and we can see here I've already used up my search index allowance. I've got 212 items in my search index out of the 200 that's allowable. If I needed more, then I can upgrade to these at any time. And these are instant. As soon as I upgrade, the allowance will be reflected on my account. And then I could head back over, hit the sync button, and it would push all my products up onto into the catalogue. The searches, it won't stop searching on the front end, but it will add a watermark to the search results when it hits the limit. So at the point that it hits its limit, it will then have a Super Search logo branded over here at the top of the results. If you want to ensure that you don't see that branding, you just need to upgrade a plan that has enough searches to cover you for the month.